everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in your presentation using Canva. Let's use this presentation as an example. First, open the presentation. Navigate to the specific page where you want to highlight text. Click to select the page. Next, click on Elements, go to Shapes, and choose Rounded Square. Drag and drop the rounded square over the text you want to highlight, and adjust its size to match the text. You can customize the highlight color to your preference. You can also add some animations to make the highlight stand out. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.